Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we'll be replacing shocks in my wife's car. She drives an 2014 XC90. The car went through the NCT, MOT, or car inspection, and it turns out that the rear shocks needs to be replaced. So, no surprises there. The car has 240, nearly 5,000, and I think they're still the original shocks. Well, I'll check that in a few minutes. And just because the car will be there's going to be some work done on the car today, I decided I might as well just do the oils, filters, and the whole shebang. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not gonna lie you, I don't do a lot of reading, and I ended up stripping all of this, all of that, took that off, and I was trying to find a way of actually getting to the suspension, and I was like, fucking Volvo, this, that, and the other, but fuck's sake, all you need to do is read. So if you lift your rear seats and move all of them, that was on it, right? He's serious. Fuck's sake. Anyway, that's where the bolt is. I'm not gonna lie, this was not easy due to the weather conditions. They're fitted. I'll need to take it for a spin just to see that everything is correct. But before I do that, before I do that, I ideally would need to change the oil in that car as well. So I'm gonna put 2 ramps on, and I'm gonna drive on them, and that will give me enough space for, should that be? Yeah, it should be alright. So that will give me enough space in here to change the oil. It's gonna be interesting. Okay, service done. I still have a cabin filter to replace, but it's so dark outside I'm just not gonna record it. It's hidden behind the glove box. Very simple to get to. 2 screws, take it out, put a new one in. Job done. As you can see, you probably have seen it. There's an oil leak coming. It's not a bad leak, but there's an oil leak coming from the bottom of the engine. I may have to investigate it a little bit deeper. Not really sure. I've seen it before. It wasn't that bad. I don't know whether it was me when I was replacing the old oil last time. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.